enter the A-Site AC file URL. In the bottom right corner, click the Download button. After clicking the standalone installer for A-Site, you'll see the plugin package. Once the download finishes, open SketchUp. Open the Extension Manager. Click Install Extension, locate the downloaded package, and install it. When installation succeeds, the corresponding plugin icon appears. Launch it. You must log in before use. If you don't have an account, click Register. I'm now logging in. After logging in, browse the model categories. You'll see two buttons, Download and Replace. Click Download to pull the asset straight into SketchUp. Even though it's a cloud download, it's extremely fast. You can also select a model in SketchUp and hit Replace to swap it instantly.